Who's that?
The ball. Can I come in? I have meat.
You would not find me good company.
No. I'm sure we'll find lots to talk about. Nice place. You could have told me before I poured.
Why are you here?
Just, being polite. You seem like a calm and reasonable person. Are you? A calm and reasonable person.
If the moment calls for calm.
I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
You know who I am? Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones. But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kinda useless. But Baldur, he had value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone, sure. But he had his uses, and now he's gone because of you. You follow me? You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
How about peace? How does peace strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
Yeah. We know what you've been up to. Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. Then we're square. Shit, I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole. That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What have your promises ever been worth?
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep Freya off your back. Keep your boy safe. That's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
No.
Don't take all day.
About time.
I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
Now show me this god killer I've heard so much about!
I did not seek that fight with your brother! I don't care!
How were you ever god of war? You insult me holding back. Can't fight without your axe, coward. The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah.
Then you'll know what I'm capable of.
Now we go! your blade. Guess they don't come when you stop holding back! You should be better than this! Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old... If you're not fighting dirty, you're not fighting right. You're going to go first! Let me see the monster die! Let me see the monster inside! Your son struck first! This is the god that murdered a pantheon because they hurt his feelings! Nice throw! No way my boy fell to this! Show me who you are! Was it luck? Did my son die? Dumbass!
You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me.
Oh no.
I'm not leaving till I see the real. Get up!
This is the foreign god that best is over. This is the man who faced down Sigrun, the Valkyrie Queen.
him last, even in death.
The fuck you say?
Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him.
Oh, you model father! This feels familiar.
What?
Don't matter. I can give a hot shit about your father. I want to see the dawn of
No! You started this! I will end it!
Let the dawn of war out! Let me see him! Where's the love of the fight? Show me the killer!
I see why my sons fell to you. Even this lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, has plans for him. There he is. There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid. Be seeing ya.
Told you he'd make it.
Kratos! It's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we...
Oh, now! Odin is